morning, boys and girls. Beautiful day out here at the Angelina Rifle and Pistol Club. They have a local match, and so we're out here for their match this morning. They're getting ready for their big event that's coming up in a couple of months. We'll be sponsored. It's the Pineywoods Shootout, sponsored by Timber Ridge. Make sure that you check that out. If you guys haven't been out here to the Angelina Rifle and Pistol Club, I say this over and over, but it's awesome. It's a great facility. What you get here is beyond compare. Been a part of other ranges and around a lot, and this one is hard to beat. It is by far the best in East Texas. So you really need to come out and check it out and see what it's all about. So we do offer, even when you buy a firearm with us, we do offer you a discount. You get 75% off the membership. And guys, the membership's only $100. It's definitely worth it. Do come out and get with one of these guys or get with us at the shop. We can help you get set up. Have people all the time asking me, well, where can I go shoot? You know, what do I do to shoot in this area? Well, this is it, guys. So there's nothing better when it comes to rifle and pistol shooting. They've got it all, and they do these matches. You know, every weekend there's something going on. So they have Steel Challenge. They have just multiple things going on every month. So definitely something that you can find to do. Between this, the girl and the gun stuff, there's always something happening. So come check it out. We're going to be around today and watching some of the stuff that they're setting up with. They've even got some crazy things going, like shooting out of this boat. We're looking forward to it.
Down and we'll load seated, okay? Rather than we don't want to load out here. Okay. What I think we're probably going to do in the match is we'll probably preload people. I think that's probably what we'll do. I don't know. We're figuring that out. We'll figure that out, right? But for now, step up, pistol on the platform, and then get in. Both hands on one. You take your pick. Either side. Range is hot. Load. Are you ready? Stand by. All right, Dale's only one so far. Relish this moment. The only one that's ever done it right now.
He has the best time in the.
Yeah, he's winning this thing right now. Yeah. Dale's #1 on the third stage. Faster than it. Just clear command. All right, go ahead. Stand by.
A lot of times it is, and you can't grab it with both hands because you're grabbing your...
One total.
All right. Great job, Kyle.
Thank you. Because you can sometimes, with tacky grips, like Hogue rubber grips, they're kind of grippy, and if you hit them wrong, they stay there. Okay. But some people, like Jeff, just uses dust. Can.
All right, because
Or we can rob.
Hey, Kyle.
Oh, appreciate that.
Go that way.
Come on, man.
15 pieces of tape on this target. Need boat holders. Okay, Kyle. Okay, 30.98. Did you get that? Okay, 2, 6, 3, and 1.
All scored.
It's hot. Okay.
That might be something we're talking about.
Just got to get that top. David. $17.58. 14.
Hey, Dad, I decided I was busy blinking.
0, 0.
Right here, boy.
Paper just.
Oh, my ears are ringing. Big hole, buddy.
If you're finished,
No. I think you had two.
It's clear.
Oh, okay.
Time,
I think we need to
18:36.
all pitches, money.
They're too long. Wait.
If you're finished, unload and show clear. If clear side forward, pull the trigger and holster. Red is clear, 1984.
Just go across and then come back and make your backups. Like if you didn't, but if you missed the steal, you go to this guy and then come back to it.
Okay. Was it 0 now?
Yeah.
Hi. Me too.
So far, everybody's zeroed down.
You have to tape that somewhere, like just tape it to
All right, Kyle's my shooter.
I got some odds.
3 per. Yeah. 3 per. That was my bad. Okay, so three shot per target. Gonna cover here for these. Seven.
7.
Zero.
0. All scored.
Have to admit,
I was right there.
How long it takes.
The range is clear, 31-35.
All right, Dale's our shooter. Jose's
A
on.
lever where you could lean on it. And,
Oh, yeah.
and then when you let it go, it just gets out of the way.
Maybe like a jack, but no.
Yeah.
Right, Dale's our shooter.
them up.
Can't really tell different.
I haven't had it long enough to know, you know. Call it
But faith, like faith.
test that you can only take once per class, but you take that, and everybody who's doing it, it started out with all different kinds at first.
So accuracy, and as fast as everybody shoots, you know, you can take a long time to take a little half a second's eternity.
How are you going to call holsters it?
Just out of curiosity, so the one like where he has a miss here, he gets nothing counted off because he came back and shot it.
Yeah, you can come back and make it up. So if he had one just completely off and no holes, it'd be a 5. And if it looked just like this, that'd have been a 1.
Okay. But since you came back and
So you
shot
came
it.
back, you made it up. It's like the best 2 or best however many hits this way.
Okay. Makes sense.
Rand, we're gonna make them all. Rand, how many more shooters do you have? It's even bulletproof. Yeah, I'm sure.
Yeah, we're fishing.
Gun will start loaded to division capacity on the platform. All magazines you will use on the stage on the platform. The scoring is best 4 per paper target. Steel must follow the score. This is an unlimited stage. You can fire as many shots as you'd like. 4? Best 4 per paper target.
You want the safety officer to like hand the gun in and take the gun out?
So what we're gonna do is unloaded gun will go on the platform.
Okay.
You get in, load and make ready while seated.
Okay.
And then afterwards, unload and show clear, hand the gun to the safety officer and step out.
Perfect. I think you just said that. I wasn't.
So that one?
That one and that one are equal, are one level, and 4. Oh yes, 4 per. 4.
Shoot them all really fast.
Start. Load and make ready, place the gun unloaded on the platform. Get in the boat, sit down, load the gun. After the stage, unload and show clear, hand the gun to the safety officer, step out of the boat.
Couldn't I, in theory, shoot that so target after? What's that mean?
So because the magazines are staged here, and because you're staying here, you don't have to shoot the gun empty.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. If you were leaving, you'd have to stow that partial magazine. But being you stay there, you can just dump a partial.
But now,
So you can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, reload 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4.
How many rounds is it?
Win. Like, okay, I can win.
So I'm gonna burn this thing down. I went to America and I asked him, I was like, what shit? This is I've ever seen a guy was 2 points down and he won the whole match. And he was a badass shooter.
Yeah. All right, range is hot. 2, 6, 5. Are you ready?
Yeah, we got it.
Stand by. 550.
And then just right there, line the sights up. Perfect. It's 2 down zeros, by the way. Okay. Same thing. Get to the wall. Boom. Very good. Get to the wall. There you go. Start the trigger. There you go. Okay. Okay. Now you're done. What do you think?
I like that one.